Hi, today I'm going to talk about the most feared combination in the birth chart, Saturn plus Rahu. If you have a Saturn plus Rahu combination in your birth chart, is it a fear or actually this combination can give you immense wealth? So first you need to understand how this combination work and how you can activate this combination positive in this particular era. Saturn plus Rahu together sitting in the birth chart have immense power, can make you very wealthy too. It is just, are you channelizing the energies of Saturn and Rahu in the right direction? If you're channelizing the energies of Rahu and the Saturn in the right direction, you can accumulate huge wealth, huge success, name, fame, success in this line. So before we go and understand about this combination and how to activate this Raj Yoga, you have to first understand what exactly Saturn and Rahu is. Saturn is a planet of karma, Saturn is a planet of action, Saturn is a planet of your career, Saturn is a planet of the hard work, money, discipline, responsibility. Saturn is a karak of time too. Rahu is a karak of expansion, logical mind, innovation, something which is coming out of the box, or innovative energies, new era energies, or the digital energies. So, when these two energies come together, they can give you huge wealth if you are going to channelize the energies in the right direction. Saturn in astrology represent money and career. Saturn decide how good you will be performing money wise and the career wise. Saturn plus Rahu together, Rahu represent expansion. So Saturn and Rahu coming together in your birth chart represent expansion in your career. But when this expansion will happen, this expansion will happen when you are going to channelize these two energies in the right direction. So first you have to check what is the degree of the Saturn and Rahu in your birth chart. Always remember, if you want to activate any planet positively, let's say you have a multiple planet sitting in one houses in the birth chart, you have to start with the lowest degree and the destiny is the highest degree. So if let's say you have a lower degree, Rahu has a lower degree as compared to Saturn. Let's say Rahu have a 5 degree, the degree of the Rahu is 5 degree and the Saturn degree is 10. You should start doing or putting the hard work, something which is connected to the digital. Anything which is connected to the digital era, whatever you are doing like AI, innovation, anything which is connected to the technology, digital, if you have to start doing that. Second, you have to put a lot of hard work, and that work should you should be very passionate about that work. Gradually and slowly you will notice Saturn will started expanding for you. So like, let's say you have a Saturn plus Rahu combination sitting in the ninth house, then you have to start providing your services digitally in the digital era, something which is connected to the technology. Give your 100% in that, as it is sitting in the ninth house. Then you can do anything which is connected to the spirituality, dharma, or working in the foreign country in the current era, that is a present technology you have to work on. You will notice gradually and slowly your business will started expanding, and Saturn can Rahu can help you to accumulate the immense wealth. Let us take a second example. Let's say that you have a Saturn plus Rahu in the third house. Saturn degree is 5 degree and the Rahu degree is 10 degree. So now what do you have to do? First, you have to activate your Saturn. Activating of the Saturn here means that Saturn plus Rahu sitting in the third house. What are the attributes of the third house? Third house is connected to the traveling, desires. It is your siblings too. So you can start like content creating, like you can become a travel blogger. So you have to put a lot of hard work, consistency, patience, and give your 200% connected to the work which is connected to the Saturn. So first you have to activate your Saturn positively. How you can activate the Saturn? While adding on the skills related to the career that you are choosing. Make sure that you are becoming expert in that, and you have to choose the consistency and persistency in that particular work. You have to show the patience too. So when you give 100% in the work, then you will notice Rahu will help you out to expand that business digitally, and gradually and slowly it will help you out to accumulate good immense wealth too. So this particular combination is positive. It is just that you have to channelize the energies in the right direction. So whatsoever planet Saturn, Rahu sits with, it expand that planet, but for the expansion, you have to work on the lowest degree planet, whichever is lowest. Now let's take a one more combination. Let's say you have a Saturn plus Rahu plus Venus in the birth chart. So now let's say Saturn is in the lowest degree. After that, there is a Rahu and the Venus. So the final destiny is a Venus. You have to start doing the hard work, give your 200% in the work, what you're doing digitally, and then start doing expansion digitally, use the technology, and then you will notice you will be able to reach to the high end luxury, and you will be started getting the comfort, luxury, and immense wealth in your life. So only the concept is no other planet in astrology is fearful. Like this planet is bad, that planet is bad. No other planet in astrology is bad. It is just that you have to channelize the energy of that planet in the right direction. On the other hand, let's say you have a Saturn plus Rahu combination in your birth chart and you're not channelizing the energy of Saturn and Rahu, your business is not connected to the Rahu, then Rahu can give you overthinking, anxiety, restlessness, forgetfulness, self-doubt. So these type of problem Rahu and Saturn together will started giving you. So if you want you want the success, every other person can get success in life. You have to just check your birth chart and you have to see what all planets are aligned in which pattern in your birth chart and what is your final destiny. So from where you have to start and from where you have to reach. The simplest way to check your birth chart is you have to check the lowest degree planet in your birth chart and reach to the highest degree. Lowest degree where you have to put the hard work, and the highest degree planet is what is your destiny, where you have to reach. So you have to start with this pattern and you will notice that you will never ever failures in the life. You have to just go with the planets, what planet expects from you. If you are not going to work as per your birth chart, you will go against your destiny. Then you started facing problems like overthinking, anxiety, depression, and you will not able to solve the problem. So astrology is not at all the subject of the fear. This is a subject of the guidance which can guide you what is right for you and what is wrong for you. If you started channelizing the energies of the planet in the right direction, you can make your relationship stable, you can accumulate good wealth and even the good health too. So this is that you have to start doing, and this is how you are going to plan your life. Start working as per your birth chart and you will notice a lot of positive changes in your life. Thank you. Have a good